In previous video, I had an example, but in this video, I want to work on another example. Let's see what will be, well, but we are going to talk about error handling. Let's see, for example, def sum. Actually, we want to sum some numbers. Well, number 1 and 2. We have a function. And let's try here. I want to have a block of try return num1 plus num2. It's good. And let's have except block. With except block, I want to have type error. In the type error, I want to print please enter a number. Very, very simple. And now I print the sum of, well, 1 and 2. What will be the output? Can you guess that? Well, enter a number, none. Why is like that? You know that? Well, it's not a number. It did not ask anything. Nothing were perfect. So we have here type error. If it asks about the type error, well, we have it. And let's have it here, the error as error. And if the error if I want to have this error, if I print, well, here everything is mentioned, like type error only concatenate string, not type error to string, blah blah blah. Many things here mentioned, but not exactly the thing which we want. Well, the exact thing which we want. Now let's see what happens here. Now instead of entering this number in everything, I just want to have this error. Well, it's very, very clean. Only concatenate string, not integer to string. None because we have returned nothing here. So, well, it's very, very descriptive. We have seen it here. A very great example. Now we have seen this, the error which we want to print out, the exact error, what error it wants to tell us. If I comment out this, and let's move on to the first example we had here. In the first example, we have one thing left here, and that's, well, finally. We have another keyword, finally. After break, I want to have finally. This finally will be okay, as done. And now I want to print, enter a number, well, 20. Thank you, it's done. This finally is something which, well, it doesn't care about anything here. Anyway, it will print something, whatever we give in this statement. Well, it says that if except, well, this value error occurs, just run this. If this 0 division occurs, do this. But here finally does not care what happens here. At the end, it will be printed. At the end, it will be shown something here. Finally means the program as well running very, very nice. So you have seen all the things here, like value error, 0 division error, and we have one more thing here. If we want to raise some error, what will happen here? What will be the error? Like if I want to raise an error here, what will happen? Well, let's see. If I raise here after this uh, res value error, cut it out. And this value error also here, everything is same. Now if I print this, well, name, okay, it's done as I said. So this value error will be like, well, enter a number, a number, it shows this a number, but still is going on, still is going on. And what if we just added here like the continue keyword, and what will happen here? 10, well, enter your age, well, name, enter your age, well, the same thing, it will goes on, goes on, goes on. It will not, well, it will not stop here because we have raised here some error. It will not stop it here. So it is one more concept. So what is the solution? Let's see. I clear out this, and everything else will be remained same. And I have print statement here. Good. And okay, it's done. Well, it raises the value error. See, cut it out. Value error. Cut it out. But it is also done. Everything is, well, printed nice and clean. So this is something which we, well, throw an error, raise an error, and, well, we have except block, we have try block, and we have used this while loop here, and this finally keyword, and else keyword, and we have talked about this already. So this is the complete of error handling. We have covered all the things related to, well, error handling. Nothing is left here.